As you all know, bird's eye chili is used in many continental cuisines. It's so hot, its Scoville value is so high that when we eat it, it produces a lot of heat in our body and increases our metabolism. It also has so many medicinal values, like it helps in pain management, weight management, and also it helps in reducing some kind of heart diseases as well. Hi, this is our first video from PJFarms. We in PJFarms farm only bird's eye chili organically so that we can bring it to you with more medicinal values so that you can use it in your daily life and enjoy its benefits. We are selling our bird's eye chili for a very low price so that everybody can enjoy its benefits without thinking that it is very costly or you cannot buy it or so like that. So in this video we have given our number so that you can contact us and order your bird's eye chili. And also we have planned to give away free bird's eye chili seeds for our customers whenever our chili is excess, so that our customers can grow them in their house and use it. So don't miss this opportunity. Dial the number that is given on the screen, call us, order your bird's eye chili and enjoy its benefits throughout your life. So whenever we have excess chili left, we will inform it in our video. So in order to get the notification of our future videos, please like, comment and share this video. As well as don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon and set it to all so that our future videos notifications will reach you on time. Until we meet again with a new video with more information about bird's eye chili, I'm signing off. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.